Hello all, this is Vikram and I'm the instructor for this course on SAP S4HANA 1809. I got around 15 years of experience into SAP consulting and I worked on various different projects on SAP S4HANA. I'm also professionally certified in SAP S4HANA Finance. And apart from the normal trainings, I also take some freelancing projects where I'm working on the domestic and freelancing projects as of now. I also conduct various corporate trainings with some of the big IT companies. And till today, I trained around 2,500 consultants on SAP FICO and SAP S4HANA using Classroom and online board. Coming to this course is SAP S4HANA 1809 course where we are going to talk about what are the new things that are available in SAP S4HANA from the finance perspective. So if you are a finance consultant, if you are a SAP FICO consultant today and you want to know what is new in SAP S4HANA, what are the new functionalities, simplified functionalities that are provided by SAP in S4HANA, then this course is for you. What are we going to discuss in this course is we are going to start with the basics, that is what exactly is SAP HANA, how exactly SAP HANA will help us in reducing the time required to process the transactions, what is SAP Activate, SAP Fiori. So these are some of the basic concepts and then we are going to deep dive in the functionalities within SAP FICO. Okay, so we are going to start with the changes in the general ledger accounting, where we'll be understanding what is the standard ledger, what is the extension ledger, what is the universal journal configuration that we need to do, what is the new table AC doc A. So all those things will come in the general ledger accounting. Then we are going to talk about AP and AR. Within AP and AR, there are some changes. We are going to discuss those. We are going to talk about the bank accounting, which is totally based on Fiori going forward. We are going to talk about the new asset accounting. So there are a lot of things which are changed in new asset accounting compared to SAP ECC asset accounting. So kind of technical clearing account, how to upload the assets, that is LTMC and all, whether those are supported or not. So those things we are going to talk about in new asset accounting. And then there are some simplifications in material ledger. Okay, so we are going to talk about why material ledger is mandatory in S4HANA. So if you are a ECC consultant, you must be knowing that material ledger was optional in SAP ECC, but going forward in SAP S4HANA, material ledger is mandatory. So what is the reason, how it will help the customers to reduce the data footprint of the company? Those things we'll discuss in the material ledger simplification. We are going to talk about the FSCM credit management. Okay, what has been changed in the credit management compared to the credit management that we were using in ECC. So if you are known to transactions like FB32, where you were able to create the credit master data of the customer, those transactions will not work now. So what has been changed? How are we going to configure the new system? Those things we are going to discuss. Also, what are the changes in the account-based COPA? What is central finance, which is a completely new topic, which was not there in SAP ECC at all. Okay, and very importantly, how are we going to create the business partners? Because we are not going to use the customers and vendors as we were using in SAP ECC. So there are some changes in that. So this is a complete practical session. This is not going to be just the PPTs where I'll be explaining, okay, this is the functionality change or something. We are going to see everything practically in the SAP S4HANA 1809 system. Okay, and the last topic that we'll be discussing obviously is system conversion. So this point is valid for those customers who are already using SAP ECC and they now want to migrate their existing system or they want to upgrade their existing system to S4HANA. So what are the prerequisites? What are the tools that we are going to use to migrate? What is SUM? What is custom code inspector? What will happen to my custom code if I'm migrating to S4HANA? This is a common question that the customers will ask you. So those kind of answers you'll be getting in the system conversion. Also, I wanted to tell you one thing, since this course is on 1809 and SAP is going to provide new versions every yearly. So what I'm going to do is every yearly, whenever a new patch is launched from SAP, I'm going to add the subsections to this course so that you are always on track, you are knowing what exactly is happening in SAP when it comes to the new versions also. So as of now, if you are going for this course on 1809, it doesn't mean that it will be there only on 1809. Going forward, you'll be also getting the updates on 1909 and whatever the new versions that SAP will launch. Okay, apart from this, what will be the target audience? Obviously, this is a very important question. So this course is not for someone who is not knowing SAP. This course is only for those guys who are already SAP FICO consultants. Even if you have maybe 1 or 2 months of experience, then too, if you are already trained, then you can go for this course. But if someone has no experience, someone has no knowledge, you cannot go for this course, because for that you need to go for the scratch course, which I'm also going to publish in some time. So this is a course mainly for those consultants who are already working as SAP FICO and they now want to learn what is new in S4 HANA. So thank you all. Hope to see you in the course. Thank you. Bye.